Hello, this is Mr. Turk, and today I'm going to show you how you can kind of artificially create a narrow depth of field. This PDF here has a pretty good suggestion of like using Gaussian blur and painting a layer mask to sort of mask out some of the blur. That's a great way to do it. The way I'm going to show you is using Photoshop's brand new blur filters. So open Photoshop and then open your image. And when your image is open, you're just going to go to Filter, Filter, Blur Gallery, and then you can use any of these kinds of blurs. I'm actually going to use a field blur. And the way a field blur works is pretty simple. There's these pins, which you can move around your document, and you can adjust how much blur there is with this little slider. So I'm going to keep the blur pretty high here, and then I'm going to click over here and add another pin, and I'm going to turn down the blur to 0. And that's an easy way to just sort of artificially create a sense of depth of field here. If you didn't achieve this with your camera, open the file in Photoshop and just mess around with the blur gallery, and you can create some great images. When you're done messing with the blur, click OK, and then go to File, Save As, and make sure you save it with a different name than the previous file. And that's it.